I'd like to just ask those on WebEx, please mute your phones and turn your cameras off until your case is called. If you are here for your own, if you are here just to observe, please do not turn on your microphones or cameras. It causes problems, technical problems. If we have too many people with their cameras on, it just eats up the bandwidth. Also, I would remind you that there is no recording of this hearing by any means unless you've been authorized by the court to do so. There was a media order signed by the judge, and only if you've been authorized by that particular media order can you record any proceedings today. The first case I'm going to call for initial appearance is Ruby Franke, case number 2315-01764. Ruby Franke. Hello. Afternoon, Mr. Winward. How are you?
Very good.
Good. So you represent Ms. Franke?
I do. He is on the video with us.
Okay. Ms. Franke, can you hear me?
Yes.
Have you received a copy of the information in this case?
Yes.
You know, I can inform the court that Ms. Franke and I have both reviewed verbatim the information. She understands it. She has pertinent questions. We would waive the reading of that at this time. And we're ready to move forward with it. I would make one motion. I understand that the co-defendant is assigned to Judge Walton. My case is assigned to Judge Barnes. I would make an oral motion today to transfer this case to Judge Walton so that co-defendants track each other.
Okay. What's the state's position on that motion?
Your Honor, we have a motion that we filed shortly after filing the information in this case. We'll withdraw that motion. It was just vice versa. So we'll withdraw that motion and stipulate to Mr. Winward's motion.
So do I have a stipulation of the council to transfer Ms. Franke's case to Judge Walton?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That motion is granted. My understanding is Ms. Franke's being held on a no bail hold at this point. She's going to remain on a no bail hold for the time being. What would you like me to do with the case, Mr. Winward, at this point?
Your Honor, we anticipate filing a motion in Judge Walton's court for the bail hearing forthwith. The court wants to conclude the initial appearance. We're fine with that.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is set this on Judge Walton's law and motion calendar a week from this coming Thursday. What date is that?
Yes.
September 21st at 9:10 in the morning will be the next hearing for Ms. Franke. Anything else we need to handle in that matter today?
I just let the court know, and I've let counsel know I will be out of the country on that date, and so I will work with Judge Walton's court and counsel to modify that as necessary.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Winward. Anything else from the state? Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ms. Franke. That's all for today. I'll be talking to you a little bit later.
The next hearing on the calendar is...
Well, if you're